One nigga, that's right.
Alright YouTube, I'm in the process of replacing the motor mount. I got everything situated. I got my jacks here. I got one there, I got one over there too. You probably can't see it, but I got two of them. Well, one right there and one here in my jack. And this is my motor mount right here. This is the protective shield. I gotta get this lifted up. But for right now, I gotta replace this one bolt right here. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. So if you got an 07 Impala or whatever, newer, I'm gonna show you how I do the motor mount. Now keep in mind, I'm using my cell phone. I'm not using a camera, so you might see the phone shake a lot. You might not see things at times because I'm using the phone. I can't hold the phone and do it at the same time. So you got to bear with me. All right, I got the bolt removed, as you can see here. I got one of the bolts in. As you can see, the hole, look at the bolt. The hole right there, that's one you need to get off. Okay. I'm gonna pause again for you guys because this is how I have to do it. Alright YouTube, you see these right here, these bolts? You gotta take these two bolts out, and there's one here and there's another one here. So I gotta take these two bolts out, and I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna pause and I get back with you when I take them off. Alright, here's the two bolts I had to take out. As you can see, I got them right here. Got both of them removed. One that goes right there. I gotta take that one out. I can see my hands until I'm using the cell phone. You have to bear with me. So you can see some weird angles. So you got to bear with me. But these are two bolts I took out the bottom, so I got them out. I'm gonna pause again to the next part. Hey, how you doing, YouTube? This afternoon. It's a beautiful afternoon, yeah. All right. I just got through replacing a motor mount, YouTube, with my 2007 Impala, as you can see. It was a pain in the ass, man. I've been out here for about 3-4 hours. Not because I didn't know what I was doing. The reason why it took so long, I was having trouble trying to line the damn holes back up. Right here, them holes, there are two holes. I was catching a hell of a lot of time trying to screw them back in and get them lined up. And I think in the process, I ended up stripping that one out right there. One on this side over here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's on that far end right there. This one, went in fine. I got that one tight, but this one here, it screwed on, but it wasn't tight. So I guess I must have stripped it when I tried to line it up. But it's all good because the weight of the engine gonna keep it down anyway. And with the heat shield, the protective shield right there. And plus I got that one to tighten there, so it ain't going nowhere. It's just there to provide, stability for the engine. So the weight hold it down. I ain't worried about that. But yeah, that's my motor mount I replaced. This is not a video about how to replace a motor mount. This is just a quick little thing about